37% of all Americans at some point in their life will be involved with Child Protective Services.
I was in a meeting and I had received a phone call. It was from DCF. They said they needed to talk to me. There have been some allegations against me and my wife. I called her back, just figured, let's get this cleared up because obviously there's a mistake. I spoke with her and she seemed very friendly. She was like, oh, don't worry, everything's fine. Good, I'm glad, we got this matter cleared up. And then a couple weeks later, we received a letter in the mail, and this was the letter we're hoping would say, you've been absolved or, unsubstantiated. And instead it said substantiated concern. The floor had just fallen out, from underneath me. How could they come to that conclusion? How could they say that? What is it that, they're really talking about? And they didn't put anything inside there. There was no content to say, this is what went wrong, this is what we think, this is how we came to our conclusion. Just said, hey, we found that we need to do an investigation now over the next, 3 or 4 months or something. These were supposed to be the people that I thought were trying to find the truth and in a sense, help us, get to the bottom of this. And now it seemed like they weren't. Attorney Seaver was awesome. He really helped me to feel very calm. And had I not had him, I definitely would have made some wrong choices. Following his advice and following his instruction, we were able not only to have the case closed, but the entire case was overturned and we were absolved completely. If we didn't have Mr. Seaver helping us and on our side and fighting for us, this would have went very wrong.